have been learning English for a long time. You study, you listen, you try. But when someone speaks to you in English, your mind goes completely blank.
You know the words inside your heart, but they will not come out of your mouth.
And you think to yourself, maybe I am too old for this. Maybe English is just not for me. I want to look at you right now and say, you are wrong. You are not too old. And English is absolutely for you. Stay with us today, because everything is about to change. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learn English. I am Amelia, and I am so glad you stayed.
Hello, everyone. I am James. And Amelia, I think so many people felt exactly what you just described.
They really did, James. That feeling of knowing English in your heart, but not being able to speak it out loud. That feeling is real, and it has a name. It is called speaking anxiety. And today, we are going to fix it together.
Today, you are going to learn the real ways to improve your English speaking. Not complicated ways, simple ways that actually work.
By the end of this episode, you will have a clear, simple plan. A plan you can start today, right after this episode ends.
Here is your first comment challenge. Write in the comments right now. Have you ever felt too scared to speak English? Write yes or no. We are listening. We understand. We care.
Subscribe to Learn English for new lessons every single week. Press the bell so you never miss us. Now let us begin. Let us talk about the real problem first, because understanding the problem is the first step to solving it.
Most English learners have the same problem. They study English with their eyes. They read, they watch, they listen.
But they never practice with their mouth, and that is the missing piece. Speaking is a skill for your mouth, not just for your mind.
Think about learning to cook. You cannot learn to cook by reading recipes. You have to go into the kitchen. You have to touch the food. You have to try.
English speaking is exactly the same. You cannot learn to speak by only studying. You have to open your mouth. You have to try, even when it feels uncomfortable.
So the solution is simple. Speak out loud every single day, even for just 5 minutes, every single morning.
5 minutes. That is all. 5 minutes before breakfast. 5 minutes before coffee. 5 minutes before anything else.
Let us practice right now. Say this sentence out loud. I speak English every morning. Say it again. I speak English every morning. One more time. I speak English every morning.
That sentence right there is your promise to yourself. Say it every morning when you wake up, before you do anything else. I speak English every morning.
Here is your second comment challenge. Write in the comments, what time will you practice English every morning? Write the time. We want to know your commitment.
Section 1 summary. The real problem is not your ability. The real problem is not speaking enough. The solution is 5 minutes of speaking every morning. Starting tomorrow. No more waiting. Let us go to the next step. Now, let us solve the speaking problem step by step. And we always start with step 1. Speak to yourself first.
Before you speak to other people, speak to yourself. This is safe. This is easy. And this is where confidence begins.
Every morning in your kitchen, describe what you are doing. Out loud. In English.
For example, I am making tea right now. The water is hot. I am adding the sugar.
This tea smells wonderful.
Say those sentences with me right now. I am making tea right now. Say it.
The water is hot. Say it.
This tea smells wonderful. Say it.
Say all three one more time. I am making tea right now. The water is hot. This tea smells wonderful.
Did you feel that? Those sentences felt easy because they came from your real life. Real sentences about your real moment.
Here are 5 more simple sentences for your morning at home. Say each one out loud. I am getting dressed now. The weather looks beautiful today. I am going to have a good day. I am learning English and I am proud of myself. Today is going to be a wonderful day.
Say those one more time, slowly. I am getting dressed now. I am going to have a good day. I am learning English and I am proud of myself. Today is going to be a wonderful day.
Beautiful, really beautiful. You are speaking English right now, in your home, safely, comfortably. That is how it begins.
Here is your third comment challenge. Write one sentence in the comments about what you are doing right now. Right this moment. Where are you? What are you doing? Write it in English. We want to read it.
Section 2 Summary. Speak to yourself first. In your kitchen, in your bedroom, on your walk, in your garden. Describe your life in English every day. This is step 1, and it changes everything.
Step 2 for improving your speaking. Copy real English out loud.
This is a very powerful method, and it is very simple. Listen to a sentence in English. Then say that exact sentence out loud.
Copy everything. The words, the speed, the feeling. This is called shadowing, and it teaches your mouth to speak naturally.
Let us practice right now. I will say a sentence. You say it right after me. Out loud, please.
I am learning English every single day. Say it.
My English is getting better every week. Say it.
I am not afraid to speak anymore. Say it.
I speak slowly and clearly, and that is perfect. Say it.
I am so proud of how far I have come. Say it.
Say all 5 sentences one more time. I am learning English every single day. My English is getting better every week. I am not afraid to speak anymore. I speak slowly and clearly, and that is perfect. I am so proud of how far I have come.
Those 5 sentences are not just practice. They are true. Every single one of them is true about you. Say them every day. Say them until you believe them, because they are real.
Here is your 4th comment challenge. Write your favorite sentence from today in the comments. The one that touched your heart the most. Write it in English right now.
Section 3 Summary. Copy real English out loud every day. Listen to us. Copy our sentences. Say every phrase out loud. Shadowing is one of the fastest ways to sound more natural in English. Let us talk about mistakes. Now let us talk about common mistakes.
These are the things that stop women from improving their English speaking, and today we fix all of them.
Mistake number 1. Waiting for the perfect moment to speak.
So many women say, I will speak English when I am better. I will speak when I know more words. I will speak when I feel ready.
But the perfect moment never comes. The perfect moment is right now. Today. This moment. With the English you have right now.
Start speaking today, not tomorrow, today, with the words you know right now. That is enough. You are enough.
Mistake number 2. Being embarrassed by mistakes.
Making a mistake in English does not mean you are failing. It means you are trying. And trying is the most important thing.
Every mistake is a teacher. Every wrong word shows you the right way. Never be embarrassed by a mistake. Be proud of it. You tried.
Mistake number 3. Thinking you are too old to improve.
You are not too old. Your brain is not too old. Your heart is not too old. Your desire to learn is not too old.
Women over 55 who learn English are some of the bravest people in the world. They are doing something most people would never even attempt. That is you, and you should be so proud.
Quick fix drill. I say the wrong thought. You say the better thought out loud. Wrong thought. I am too old to learn English. Better thought. Say it.
I am brave. I am learning, and I am getting better every single day.
Say that one more time. I am brave. I am learning, and I am getting better every single day.
That is the truth. Now believe it. Practice time. This is my favorite moment because right now you become the English speaker.
We are going to do something special. I will describe a situation. You say the English sentence out loud. Ready?
Situation 1. You wake up in the morning. What do you say to start your day in English? Say it out loud now.
Good morning. Today is going to be a wonderful day. Say it out loud right now.
Situation 2. Someone asks how you are feeling. What do you say?
I am feeling well, thank you. And how are you? Say it out loud right now.
Situation 3. You do not understand something. What do you say?
I am sorry. Could you say that again, please? Say it out loud right now.
Situation 4. Someone helps you. What do you say?
Thank you so much. That means a lot to me. Say it out loud right now.
Situation 5. At the end of the day, you feel proud. What do you say to yourself?
I spoke English today. I am proud of myself. I am getting better every single day. Say it out loud right now.
Here is your 6th comment challenge. Write in the comments. Which situation felt easiest for you today? And which one felt the most difficult? Tell us honestly. We want to help you.
You just practiced English. Right here, right now. In your home. Safely. That is real progress. That is real courage. And that is everything.
We have reached the end of today's lesson, and I want to say something from the very bottom of my heart.
Please say it, Amelia, because I feel it too.
To
Every woman listening right now, you are doing something extraordinary. You are learning a new language later in life with courage, with love for yourself and for the people you love.
That is not small. That is one of the bravest things a person can do.
Let us do our final review. The best ways to improve your English speaking.
Way number 1. Speak out loud every morning for 5 minutes. Starting tomorrow. No more waiting.
Way number 2. Speak to yourself at home every day. Describe your life in English, your kitchen, your garden, your morning.
Way number 3. Copy real English out loud every day. Listen to us. Say every sentence. Shadow every phrase.
And we fixed 3 big mistakes today. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop being embarrassed by mistakes. And never think you are too old. Because you are not. Not ever.
Here is your final comment challenge. Write this in the comments right now.
Write these words. I am brave. I am learning. And I am getting better every single day. Write it. Mean it. Own it. Because it is completely and absolutely true.
If today's episode helped you, please share it with one woman who is also learning English. One woman who needs to hear this today.
Like this video. Subscribe to Lore Learn English and press the bell for new episodes every week.
You are not alone on this journey. We are here with you every single step, every single week, every single episode.
You are never too old to learn. You are never too late to grow. And your English is getting better even right now as you listen.
Thank you so much for being here today. We are so very proud of you. See you next time.